So welcome back to the course, friends. Uh, Let us have a quick recap of what we have done till date. We have created a quiz where we have an app bar, we have a question text, then we have an answer buttons, and whenever we click that answer, we have a new question, but our answer button still have the same text. So we need to have our relative answers. Whenever we have a question, we need to have that corresponding answers in this uh, raise button. So in this lecture, what we are going to do, we are going to have our answer and question in a map. So map is also a type of it is a data type where we have a key value pair. So the short form of writing map is this. We can also write it using the map keyword, and you can see that this is the keyword that is used to create maps. But in this case, we are going to create map inside our curly braces. So what map inside a map? What we do? We have a key and a value pair. So a key can be like 1 to first question or second question, but let us have a more you can say human readable way. We use the key here as question text, and this is how we separate the key from the value. So now we have a key that is question text, and the value of this key is that is what is your age. So in the same way, we have an answer key here, and for answer we can use that for answer we will use another data type, and that is of type list, as what we have here. So in this list we have values like below 10, then we have our second value, that is below 50, and last one is above 50. So now what we have for questions, we have a data type that is list, that is we have already discussed. So inside list we have a map where we have it. For question we have our key question text, and then we have our question, and for answer we have answer key, and for the options of answer we have again a list, and inside list we have our options for our answer. So that is one, you can say. Similarly, copy paste this thing and use it here. I'm deleting this thing, uh, and I'm using it here. So do you have, yeah, or we can have click on the symptoms. You have, so for answer I again I am giving him sort THROT sort rows fewer none of, or we can have one more symptom, that is fever, headache, and then we have none of the above. Just use a comma here, and again I'm going to copy paste this thing, and we have another pair of question and answer here. So here I can use a question: do you came in contact with a COVID positive person recently? And the answer would be like, do you came in contact? Answer would be like yes, no, can't say exactly. So we have our list of questions and answers ready here. Let us use one more option here, that is above 80. So now we have our you can say question and its corresponding answers inside a map, and that map is inside a list. And if you exactly see, a list contains a map which contains question and answers, and inside answer key value pair means key, we have values of answer inside a list, again inside a list. So this is what exactly I'm going to use in my next video lecture. Thanks, and see you in the next lecture.